Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over? This isn't a lecture. Today I am going to be doing another makeup tutorial on this look right here, and it's just a really simple, like, everyday look. Most of the products on my eyes are by MAKEUPGEEK, and yeah, I've been gravitating toward this look a lot recently. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Here is my bare skin, and I'm going to prep it with my POREFESSIONAL from Benefit. I'm going right into my foundation routine, and basically I'm just going in with the Locket Tattoo from Kat Von D and using a makeup buffing brush and just buffing this foundation all over my skin, going in sections. So yeah, really simple, straightforward. Make sure you buff it all in so it doesn't look cakey. And then I'm taking my MAC Prolong Wear Concealer, and first I'm going to pat this all over my under eye area. This is key in putting in concealer, is you want to pat, 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 and then take your beauty blender or your any kind of sponge. This is by Real Techniques, and I'm going to use a sponge to blend all of that excess concealer away. And then immediately after blending, you want to set it with a powder. Here I'm using a pale yellow toned powder by Kat Von D, and I'm just going to use this powder to set my under eye concealer. Now I'm just wiping off concealer that's on my lips. No big deal. And then I'm going to prep my eyelids with eyeshadow primer. No big job here, pretty straightforward. Now I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia's Dip Brow in dark brown, and I'm picking up this much product, and then I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand to warm up the product, and this makes it easier to work with. First, I'm going to line the under part of my eyebrow and get that line down, and then with whatever product is left, I'm gonna line the upper part of my eyebrow, fill in the last third of my eyebrow, just like I'm doing here. And once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to set my eyebrows with this clear eyebrow gel from MILANI. I've been loving this stuff just because it really holds my eyebrows in place. I find that they don't move after a long period of time, and it's drugstore, so it is very inexpensive, and yeah, I've just been really liking this eyebrow gel. So here is my finished brow, and here is my unfinished brow, and there is a big difference, I know. Now I'm gonna go in with a blush from MAKEUPGEEK. This is Infatuation. I'm just using my Sigma E40 to use this as my transition color slash crease color. I really like the pink in this, but it is a darker brownie pinkish color, and I just like it. So now I'm going in with GRANDSTAND by MAKEUPGEEK. This stuff is so pigmented and it's so beautiful. I spoke in depth about these, I think, in my last video, and I just really love these. You don't even need a brush, but here I had a brush near me, so why not? I just used it. But again, these eyeshadows are so pigmented and so beautiful. Again, they reflect light perfectly. As you can see, I didn't even use any Fix Plus. This is straight out of the pan, and you get this beautiful pigmented color. Now I'm going in with another blush from MAKEUPGEEK. This is SMITTEN, and I'm going to use this on a Sugar Pill, I think, tapered blending brush, I think, and I'm just going to use this to blend out any harsh lines from Infatuation, because of course, as you all know, blending is key. So just make sure you blend out any harsh lines, and this blush is pretty close to, I don't want to say it's close to my skin color, but it is a really great, like, blending color. Now with that same brush, I'm going to dip into my Tartelette palette and use Dreamer and Force of Nature. I'm going to mix these colors just to deepen up my outer V. Deepening up your outer V will give you more definition and give more depth to your entire eye look. So here I'm just going to work on my lower lash line, and again I'm going in with Infatuation on a flat shader brush, and I mean, pretty straightforward. I'm just going to mimic whatever I did on my upper eyelid, and I'm just going to mimic that on my lower lash line. So again, I'm going in with another flat brush and gonna dip into the Tartelette palette. Gonna use Force of Nature and Dreamer again, and I'm just going to use this on the outer third of my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be tight lining my upper lash line with the Black Gel LA Girl Cosmetics pencil eyeliner. This stuff is amazing. If you guys saw my last video, you guys have seen how many backups I have of this pencil because I don't ever want to be without it. So now I'm going in with Trooper by Kat Von D, and I'm just creating an outline with this. And then I'll just be filling in my eyeliner with this liquid eyeliner from NYC. I don't know why I did this day, but I just really like how black this stuff is, and in one swipe you get full opacity blackness, and I love it. But it does give you kind of a jagged edge, so I went in with Trooper and just fixed it. Now I'm prepping my eyelashes for my falsies. I'm using Flutter Lashes in the style Chantelle, and you saw how light they are, and I just wanted a really natural looking lash that will give length to my natural lashes. And yeah, I think these do these pretty well. I bought these at IMAT, so I didn't have to pay like full price because mink lashes are on the expensive side. But yeah, you know, gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Anyway, so this is how I put on lashes. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah, but a little freeze frame here so you can see how natural looking they are. Next, I'm going to bronze and contour my skin. Here I'm contouring actually. And I'm using the new Shadelight palette by Kat Von D. And basically just doing what I always do, contoured my cheekbones, taking this up on my forehead / 5 head. I know, my head's really big. And then contouring my temple area, just connecting those two areas together so it doesn't look so like cat-like. And with whatever is left on my brush, I'm going to contour my nose, the underside of my nose, and bring more depth to my lower lip by contouring the underside of my lip. Now I'm going to take Romance on this Luxie brush that I got in my Ipsy bag. I love this brush. Oh my gosh, makes me want to buy more Luxie brushes. But I chose this color to give me more of a highlighting effect. But you gotta highlight them cheekbones, girl. And here I'm going in with Opal. This is the liquid illuminator. I don't know if they have these anymore, but I got these during the holidays. And yeah, I think that a liquid illuminator actually lasts longer than the powder form. So I've been using these liquid illuminators more so than my powder illuminators recently. Anyway, going in with Spice lip liner from MILANI. And again, it's MILANI, so it's really affordable. I love this lip liner. And it lasts really long. And here I'm just lining my lips. Soon I'll be filling them in on the outer edges just a little bit, just to give the lipstick that I'm putting on more depth and definition, just so it's not straight up like an outlined lip. So here I'm going in with my new Marc Jacobs nude lipstick, and it is a very, very beautiful nude color. It doesn't wash me out. It's a very light formula, very comfortable. But anyway, I really love this formula. I don't buy high-end lipsticks just because lipstick is lipstick to me, and I really love drugstore formulas. I mean, they're really affordable, and I think they're so comparable to high-end lippies. But anyway, here I'm just finishing up my lip liner, just, tightening it up, setting my face with powder, and then spraying it in place. This is by Urban Decay, it's an all-nighter spray. And after all of that, you are done. You are Target ready. Just kidding. But yeah, I do wear all this makeup like every day because I love wearing makeup. But anyway, if you guys like this video, then please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you again for watching. Oh, and click on this video up above if you guys want to see my vanity tour. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye!